Hello, everybody. Still getting things fired up here. I'm going to try to stream on Twitch and YouTube today. I won't be able to watch both of the chats. I'll mainly be watching my Twitch for the chats. Hi, Ryan. But we've already got a tornado warning. I got Philip McGee. I'm helping today. He's on his way towards that storm that's warned in Oklahoma. We actually have 5 chasers right now that's live streaming. Yes, sirree, buddy. Yeah, that's looking really good right there. Let me give you a... Copy that. Stream's looking good. Okay, here I'll show you overall of what's going on. You can see up there in South Dakota and western Nebraska, we've got heavy snow. That's all wrapping around the low system that's triggering all of these severe storms. And let me bring up my analyst here. Screen will go
Severe
black for a little
thunderstorm
bit.
warning for southwestern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, west central Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, Ekfuskee County in east central Oklahoma.
Hang tight a minute.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, Love County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, Marshall County in southeastern
Oklahoma. You see those bright
Oklahoma.
colors right there. That's some tight rotation. Hello to everybody that's over on my YouTube. I'm not going to be able to watch that chat a whole lot because I'm watching my Twitch. If you want to watch me over on Twitch, just go to twitch.tv/bgraywx and you can watch me there and I can see what you're all typing on. If you want the links, I've got a pinned post on the top of my weather page that's got all of our chasers links. You talking about Ryan Hearn? Ask me about Ryan's stream. Are you talking about Ryan Hearn? Which Ryan? Actually, the one that I'm helping that you see in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, that's Philip McGee. Philip McGee's the one that's headed towards the Torwarn. All of our chasers now live stream on Twitch, by the way.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greenwood County in southeastern Kansas.
If you're wanting Phillips, hang on. Oh, I gotta get on my other computer here. There's Phillips McGee's link. Yeah, that's right where I'm seeing a nice inflow notch too. Looks like it might be trying to rain wrap. Shouldn't be too long. You ought to be able to get a good visual on it. Yeah, this thing's moving along pretty good. I'm seeing on that main mezzo, I'm seeing 53 knots. The audio should sound pretty good to everybody now. I've actually got a condenser boom mic, and I should not have any echoes anymore. I don't have to talk near as loud. Hey, D Mike. Yeah, I'm loving this new microphone I got. Eventually I'll have it patched in so I can also use it on Zello at the same time. See if I can swing it around here so you can see it. Yeah, that's exactly where I'm seeing it. Not seeing any debris signature on it. It does have a nice little NROT signature just on the north side of Cromwell.
Yes, sir. That's exactly where I'm seeing the same company.
Yeah, I'll get my mic adjusted back here where I want it. Beautiful studio condenser mic. It's on a shock mount. It does have noise cancellation on it. Yeah, it's got several hail cores over an inch. I'm seeing 1 inch, 1.5, down to the southern part of that line is showing an inch on it. So, yeah, that would be conducive to some good lightning in it. Let me bring up my analyst here, and I'll show you all some of the stuff that I'm seeing on it.
Severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Geary County in East Central
Screen
Kansas.
will be black for a little bit.
Southeastern Riley County in Northeastern Kansas. Northwestern Waubonsee County in East Central Kansas. Eastern Pottawatomie County in Northeastern Kansas. Northwestern Jackson County in Northeastern Kansas.
There's the nice area rotation. That last scan don't have the NROT signature that it did have. NROT is normalized rotation.
Severe thunderstorm warning
there,
for Northern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma.
The green and the blue together.
Southwestern Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma. Southeastern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma.
Like a linear type setup, more or less. Maybe with some shelves out in front or whatever, but that circulation is definitely going to be embedded in there.
Yeah, the last scan that I got, the NROT disappeared, and it's getting more linear looking. Doggone it. Hopefully it's recycling.
Yeah, I'm sure it's probably recycling because it's separated. It's just one big, huge mezzo, and so it's just now getting this act together. So just crossed over into that more conducive environment as well.
Is everybody hearing my Zello pretty decent? So you can hear what Philip's saying? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't want it to be too loud, especially if you're watching this stream at the same time. Thanks, Sharon. Appreciate it. I just seen that Nathan Moore just went live. Nathan Moore, Matt McCune, and another one of our chasers going to be covering the southwest Iowa, but it's going to be quite a while before this line gets there. Let me see if I can do something here without overtaxing my PC. Those purple boxes that that you see there, those are the Tornado Watch, which are PDS, which just means that it's a stronger level, particularly dangerous situation. As I always like to say, pretty darn serious. But you can see all the red boxes here that those are all severe warnings, and that's the main line. And you'll see some flashes on there. That's lightning that's showing up on my radar. Yeah, this is the high end of PDS. I've been really impressed with all the models the last 3 days. It's been really consistent with this severe. I kind of expected it to change a lot over the last couple days, but they eventually, early this morning, brought out a moderate down there in Arkansas, and also raised the TOR to a 15%. I'd like to show you all something while I got a minute, while Philip is traveling. Let me turn off some of this stuff on here. There you can see the line that's going across Oklahoma City. This is the main line. It's firing up ahead of the dry front. That orange line that you see here, that's the dry line. And it's really, I could turn on dew points here. Severe weather is conducive to 55 plus dew points. You can see out ahead of this line, it's up in the 60s. Look at behind the line, like here at Oklahoma City, that's a 21 on the dew point. So that's how I could tell exactly where this dry line is. And the numbers fall down behind that even more. Now, I want to show you all something else here on the meso analysis.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cook County in north central Texas, northwestern Grayson County in north central Texas.
Okay, see that red? And wait for everything to catch up here. See how this red dips down? That's the jet stream, the upper level jet stream. And it's all cold air up in here. So there you can get a glimpse at how the jet stream is swinging way down below Albuquerque. Where our wind direction is going to be at. I can look at the surface winds here. You can see the surface winds are basically coming from the south and coming up. And then out there in Texas and that, the surface winds are coming around from the southwest, all headed for this low pressure system. Now, here's what's bad up here as far as South Dakota and that goes. See how close the isobar lines are together? That means high winds. There's some really strong winds up there. Now I need to show you something other else here. Now these are the upper level winds. And you can see how these are coming from the southwest, where the surface winds I showed you a bit ago was coming up out of the south. That's what we call deep shear, and it's conducive to causing the storms to spin. And it looks like Philip might have something going on there on his stream. But there, that kind of gives you an idea of what the atmosphere is doing right now. Yeah, was that a wall cloud I seen on your stream? Oh, just had another chaser go live. Then we got a bunch of guys going live.
It's 4:00 p.m.
Hey, Luna. Thanks for joining me. Hey to everybody on my YouTube chat. Like I was saying earlier, I mainly watch my Twitch chat. What radar am I using? I'm using the Gibson Ridge products, the GR Earth, the GR Level 3, GR2 Analyst, and the one that I was just showing with the different wind directions, that's WSB3. Yeah, I can imagine. That almost looked like a wall cloud you had on your stream a little bit ago. I couldn't hardly tell.
Yeah, that was definitely a wall cloud just a few minutes ago. We're back out in front of it again. Now it's starting to develop it.
Yeah, he cut off there at the tail end. The tighter rotation's up there by Castle right now. Hey, boss man. Now, this is no longer tour warned, but with the tight rotation that I'm seeing on this, I suspect it'll go back tour warned again. Philip must have hit a dead spot. I lost the stream. Yeah, everybody that's watching me, thanks for joining me. My little behind the scenes as I help the chasers, and I try to explain as much as I can while I got time, so y'all get to know exactly what I'm seeing. These storms, this line that's ahead of the dry line I've been talking about, they've actually fired up a couple hours earlier than I was expecting.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern
and they also fired up further west than what we thought.
Shelby
We thought they
County
was going
in
to fire up
southwestern
over on the east side of Oklahoma and go into Arkansas, where Dr. Greg Forbes has put a torcon of 7 or a 70% chance of tornadoes in most of Arkansas. The areas there, East Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, and that are torcons of 6. Iowa's a torcon of 4 or 40% chance. Hey, everybody. You can see the white dots there on this radar. That's all lightning within the last 15 minutes. My stream being sharper, I made some changes. Yeah, I do have the lamp that's pointed at me, so the camera pointed at me can pick me up better with my green screen program that I use. I do have a green screen behind me, so that camera pointing at me, that's how I get that effect. Let's see if I can get Philip back here. I use all kinds of tools, and some of it I got to tweak a little bit. I still don't have everything set the way I want it.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern.
For those of you watching me on YouTube, thank you.
Greenwood County in southeastern Kansas.
But right now, I'm not really watching the chat on YouTube that much. Which storm is this? This is the one that's severe that was tornado warned. It's now around Castle, Oklahoma, which would be about due east. It's one that's severe warned. It's about due east of Oklahoma City.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
But anyway, for all of you on YouTube, if you'd like to, go over to twitch.tv/bgraydwx, and that's where I'm mainly watching the chat. Here, I'll give you the guys on YouTube the link. Oh, thank you, Becky. I was just getting ready to do that. I'm not able to watch the chat on both of them, and I'm really wanting to boost my Twitch. There, Sharon, I just made you moderator on my YouTube. Yeah, I thought you was before too, but I guess not. I didn't change anything on my YouTube.
Warning for southeastern.
You've been gone for
County
so long,
in
Sharon,
Central
that
Kansas. Coffee County
I
in
guess we
East
both
Central
just forgot.
Kansas.
But Forrest, yeah, I'm trying to make my stream more crisper. I actually got an upgrade on my internet, and that's helping. And then with this new microphone, my audio is a whole lot better. It's been thanks to donations from everybody that I'm able to upgrade my equipment so I can do a lot better work, and y'all can enjoy my stream a whole lot better. So I really appreciate all the donations that I've been getting. There, I just put on the top of the screen whoops. For anybody that would like to go ahead and donate, you can just go to paypal.com and search for bgradewx@gmail.com. Hey, a new subscriber on my YouTube. Thank you, Hannah. Yeah, your stream went to a network area. I'm refreshing it now. See if I can get it back. Yeah, I got you back. Philip's stream is back up again. If you don't have it, just do a refresh.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Morris County in east central Kansas, northwestern Shawnee County in east central Kansas, central Waubonsee County in east central Kansas, southeastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas.
It's starting to get a little ugly looking on reflectivity, though. Yeah, looking at NROD on Analyst, it's looking more like a wind event. It doesn't have any good circulation in it now. It's going linear. Yeah, I just brought it up in 3D on Analyst. It's still got some vertical rotation in it. It's not horizontal. It is vertical, but it's not looking all that great. Hopefully it's just trying to recycle. Yeah, I'm not really liking the looks of this storm, but it may be trying to recycle. Let me bring it up here. You can see the area rotation there, the bright colors next to each other. Looking at normalized rotation, it doesn't look all that good. It's really broad and weak. There's reflectivity. It's looking a little ugly, but it could be trying to recycle. Here on WSB3, you can see the snow, the light blue and deeper blue. That's some of the heavier snow that's up there across South Dakota and Nebraska. That's on the bad side, I would call it, of the low pressure system, which you see by the big L. That's the main surface low right now. Everything's wrapping around it. Hey, Paul, how you doing, buddy? One of these days I got to Skype with you again, man. It's been quite a while. My buddy Paul. Years now. Well, 3 or 4 years. I forget, Paul. By the way, Sharon, I seen Dave Pugh actually made a post today about the severe weather. I wish he'd get out and chase again. Yeah, groggy is Paul. Very good friend of mine from Ireland.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Greenwood County in southeastern Kansas.
Yeah, I miss Dave not getting out and chasing. I need to call him one of these days. I haven't talked to him in a long time, probably almost 2 years. Chatted with him on Messenger a couple times in the past, but I haven't talked to him on the phone in a long time. I think Dave kind of changed his main interest when he's not working and he's home. He's been doing a lot of woodworking. He bought a CNC wood mill and been making all kinds of cabinets and whatnot for his house. And I don't even have Dave's Zello channel anymore. He said it was eating up his battery and he never got on it. I waited for 2 years to hear him back on his Zello channel, and finally I deleted it. Yeah, it's trying to.
I see that northern one shooting off up to the northwest or northeast of me, so we might be in a perfect spot.
Yeah, the northern part that's got all the hail core in it, that's traveling about 45 knots. And, oh lordy, that one next to you is showing 63 knots. 6.3. Man, that thing's going to be a screamer. It's going to catch back up with the northern part.
I don't know if you just seen my screen or not, but look at this thing. It's gigantic.
Oh yeah, I'm watching your stream. Yeah, I need to start checking out some of these others.
Southeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma. Eastern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma.
We'll start scanning around the ones
Wagner
down
County
to the
in
south and see what they look
Oklahoma.
like. There's
Northwestern
one, I bet
Oklahoma
it's
County in
probably going to go
northeastern
toward
Oklahoma. Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma. Northeastern Ufusky County in east central Oklahoma.
Down there by Texarkana.
No, not that far south. Down there at Connorville.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas. Nevaeh County in northeastern Kansas. West central Jackson County in northeastern Kansas. Eastern Marshall County in northeastern Kansas.
Tell you what, there's a ton of lightning in all these. Just off Oklahoma City radar site, I'm seeing almost 5,000 lightning strikes. Yeah, copy that. Yeah, I'm kind of on hold there for a little bit, waiting to see what pops up next. Whether the one that Phillips on is going to recycle and try something, it doesn't look like it to me. Or the next one to the south of him, southeast of Oklahoma City, tries to get excited and do something good. And Well, I got a little bit of a break here. I'm going to zoom up to southwest Iowa here and see where Nathan Moore's at. There's a severe up there. He's not that far from it. Let me take a look at his stream
Severe thunderstorm warning for Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma, north central Anoka County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Hughes County in southeastern Oklahoma.
Nathan's over by Omaha right now.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County in southwestern Underwatt, northeastern Mills County in southwestern Underwatt, southeastern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Underwatt.
Yeah, it looks like it's trying to rebuild again. It's been kind of ugly since it was trying to split as far as reflectivity goes. The one that's right there where you're at, I don't know if that's going to, if that tries to join up with the northern part, then it might try to reform. Copy that, Chris. This is another one of my chasers. Oh. Try to stretch my back. Well, I got a minute. Let me show you something else. You'll hear us talk about the triple point. And let me get my WSB3 back up, and I'll show you all what we're talking about when we're discussing triple point. Okay, here you can see the surface low, and the purple line going across to the right, that's actually the warm front. It's went stationary. Then the blue line is your cold front. Now this program isn't showing it, but the dry line actually goes all the way up to that low, and that's what we call the triple point, where all of those items converge. That's conducive to severe weather and tornadoes. There's not quite as strong of instability up in there. There is a lot of moisture and shear. But whenever you have the warm front, cold front with a low pressure system and the dry line going up in that area, when all those converge, that's what we call the triple point. Which it's all, they're expected to converge here in the next hour or two up here in southwest Iowa. So some of our chasers like Nathan Moore, Matt McCune.
Look at that shot, Barry.
Yeah, I see that. Nice. Nice shelf. But the better instability is actually down here to the south. Instability being where the air is buoyant and wants to rise. And all this line is firing up ahead of this
severe thunderstorm warning
orange
for
or brown line here. That's the dry
County in
line,
southwestern
and all these are firing up ahead of
eastern
that.
Shelby County in southwestern
You got all real moist air to the east side of that dry line and real dry air in behind it.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Brighton County in southeastern Oklahoma, central Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Atoka County in southeastern Oklahoma.
Which way you traveling? I've actually seen two beacons on you, Philip. You going east? Ah, the beacons fell behind. Okay, that makes more sense, what I'm seeing on radar. I tell you what, I just zoomed out on GR3. I'm seeing an outflow boundary back to the west side of this line of storms. I'll show you all what I'm talking about with outflow boundary. You can see the line of storms, but see this real thin blue line? That's rain-cooled air. What they call an outflow boundary. There, I'll put it in motion. You can see how it's doing there. That can also trigger severe weather back in behind this line. I gotta get up real quick and stretch my legs. I'll be right back. Hey, Matt. Where you at, Matt? You talking about Kansas? Oh yeah, yeah. I was just up there on that radar site up there taking a look at it a little bit ago.
That was the one I was going to try to get on, but I don't think I can get there.
Yeah, I can't even find your beacon.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Shawnee County in east central Kansas, southeastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Nemaha County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas.
I'm gonna end up being west of this crap if I don't go back.
Yeah, I'm kind of liking that one that's headed up there towards Seneca.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north central Texas, Denton County in north central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north central Texas,